Hello, my name is Ninzi. If this is your first video of mine, hello, thank you for stopping by. Today I'm going to be filming a Valentine's Day look for you guys. I'm super excited to film this look. Pink eyes, red eyes are probably one of my favorite things to do and something I've been doing a lot lately, but this is a reason to do them on purpose. As you guys can see, I have pinkish, reddish, burgundy hair, and these type of eyeshadows look great with my hair color, but obviously you don't have to have pink hair to do makeup like this. So if you guys want to see how to do a simple Valentine's Day look, just keep on watching. I just want to say thank you to Luisa for partnering with me on today's video. They sent over 2 pairs of earrings that are just absolutely stunning. These pieces are a fantastic gift for yourself or for the ones you love. Right now, the site is running a 15% off promotion. Their pieces start at just $39 and are extremely well made. And I would not partner with a company I didn't believe in. Ana Luisa's jewelry is seriously so nice. Order your pieces today for guaranteed shipping. Please click the link in the description box for 15% off. I'll leave it down there, so don't forget to check it out. This is one of the first pairs of earrings that I chose from their site. I think these are super dainty and beautiful, great for everyday wear, but also spice up your look just a little bit to give you that elegant look. And then I also got this gold pair of studs to go with it. Their studs, you guys, are so nice. They have that double backing, like when you get your ears pierced at Claire's. They have that double backing that guarantees your earring will not fall off, which I absolutely love. I never take off my earrings, and the other pair that I have from them is so nice, so I was so excited to get these out. Don't forget to check out the description and click that link for 15% off. Alright, so here is this eye done. I actually ended up messing up and then had to go back and like redo the whole eye, so it took a lot longer than I was expecting it to, but here we go. So I have my Milani eyeshadow primer on, and then I went ahead and put the P. Louise base. This one's in the shade Rumor 0.5, which I bought online. It actually is way too light for me, but I'm not gonna get rid of it or get a new one because I think it works out just fine. And I have all of my products that I use on an everyday basis, like in all of my videos, linked in the description box. So please check the description if you want any of these items. And they are affiliate links, so if you buy them through that link, it helps the channel a lot. It helps me a lot, so thank you so much if you do that. Today I'm going to be using, which I haven't used yet, this is the ABH Norvina palette. This is the palette number 4, which came out last year in June or May, somewhere in that time frame. The colors in this, I thought, just scream Valentine's Day. Oh, the cats are playing, so you might hear them like scratching around and things. I'm gonna go ahead and start off. I'm going to be using a E25, and the brushes are linked down below as well. I'm going to be using a Sigma E25, which is in my brush set, or you can buy this brush individually. Love this brush, use it in every single video, love it. I'm going to be using the shade E4, and this is going in my crease, and I'm like packing this color in. Using a E35, and this is actually the TrendmoodxSigma brush collaboration. Love the handle on this, super pretty color. And I'm going to blend out the E4 with the shade E4, which is this really pretty pastel purple. Next, I'm going to take a Catrice E28, or just a regular eyeshadow brush, and going in with the shade B5, and that's going in like under that bone right there, the occipital bone. This is deepening up. And I'm always going back in with my other colors to blend in case anything gets blended away. At Walmart, I bought a pack of really skinny paintbrushes. It's a super skinny brush here, and I'm using the ABH cake liner, so I'm going to be using this white. You can use whatever you want, and I just activate it with a little bit of water, and I'm using that as the white eyeliner. And I'm going in with some micellar water and a Q-tip, and I'm going to remove the eyeshadow on my lid. Going back in with my P. Louise base and a really tiny concealer brush, I'm going to put the base down and cut the crease. I'm going to take another eyeshadow brush. This is the Sigma E54, and I'm going to be putting the shade A2 all over the lid. And on the outer V, I'll go back in with the E25 and the shade E4. With a sponge tip applicator, mine is from Huda Beauty. I'm going to pick up the shade E3, which is like a glitter. And the sponge tip applicators help with these pressed glitters. And I'm putting this all just on the center of my lid. Taking this makeup wipe, and I'm just cleaning up the edge. And there we have the eyeshadow. For my face, I'm going to be reviewing in a different video the Morphe Filter Effect Soft Focus Foundation. So if you want to see my thoughts on this foundation, you'll have to check out that video. I'll be right back with my foundation on. I'm going to finish the eyes, going in with the shade E4, and that's going to go under my eyes here. And then I'll be going in with the rest of my face products. I'll be using the Anastasia Contour Kit in the light to medium. I'll be using these bronzing and contour shades down here at the bottom. Using my Juvia's Place Volume 2 blush palette, I think I'm going to go in with this shade called B on my cheeks. I'm going to go in with the highlight Zoba. I use my ColourPop Horses and Carriage highlighter. Oh, and I forgot, I did go in with the shade E2, and I put that under my brow bone. I'm going to set it with some setting spray. I'm going to cover my eyes so that my eyeliner, the white eyeliner, doesn't get all messed up. The Catrice HD Performance setting spray, and I totally got it all over my mouth. I'm going to do my eyebrows, eyeliner, mascara, put my lashes on, and all that stuff off of camera, and I'll be right back with the finished look. I actually have this lip set to try. This is the NYX Princess Nakia Miss Thing lip set. These lip colors from NYX blew up on TikTok. So this is in the shade, I don't know if this is the shade Miss Thing. And I got this in Ulta as well. So I haven't tried these lip colors, and these were in stock. So I thought, why not? But it's this and then a clear gloss on the other side. The lip pencil that came with it is in the color Cappuccino. Alright, there's the lip liner. Oh, this is so sticky. Oh my goodness. Let's try and put the gloss on. That is uncomfortably sticky. Gloss helps. That was too much. So here is the completed look with everything on my eyelashes. I have two pairs that I cut up a long time ago, so like an Ardell pair and another Ardell pair, and I just put one on top of the other, so I'm not sure what they are, but I just thought it would look really nice together. And then as you guys saw, I had the NYX Duo on my lips, and it's so much better with a little bit of gloss in the center just so it's not as sticky. But that is the completed look. I'll go ahead and show you guys an outfit from Dolls Kill. I actually have a haul with them coming up as well, so I'm not sure what order everything's gonna be in and whatnot. So I'll show you guys an outfit and I'll be right back. And here is the dress from Dolls Kill. I think this is super cute. It's got the ruching in the front. I can't remember, I think I got this in a size medium or a large. and I normally get like a smaller or medium. Like their stuff runs small. So, but I think this dress is really cute. I live in Ohio, so this is definitely not weather appropriate for me, but if you live in a warmer climate right now, and I know we can't go anywhere because of social distancing and the situation in the world, but you could even wear this at home. I'm gonna do a little home date with your boo. So here's what it looks like. I think it's really cute. I'm going to be doing a large Dolls Kill haul, so I'll leave that linked as well so you guys can see what else I got from Dolls Kill. But that is everything. Thank you all so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this Valentine's Day look. Again, check out the foundation review on the Morphe Soft Focus Foundation if you want to see my thoughts on it. But till next time, bye!